Here's a 2012 Kia Optima. Even from the outside, you can tell this Optima is exhilarating. It's quiet, spacious, and amenity-rich, and provides the perfect environment for driving pleasure. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Power heated mirrors. Heated and ventilated bucket seats. Auto-dimming rear-view mirror. Doors and push-button start proximity key. Dual-zone climate control. Turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. Sport suspension. And automatic transmission. Cars.com finds, with its creased sheet metal and low-slung shape, there's luxury car sophistication to the Optima's exterior that you don't see in a lot of family sedans. Kia, commanding attention. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
Lee Kia of Greenville, a part of the Lee Motor Group Company, doing business the right way since 1953. We're located near the corner of Greenville Boulevard and Memorial Drive.